Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Captain Mohammad Nasiruddin, Departmental Chairman, Shipping and Maritime Science from Canadian University of Bangladesh. We are very glad to inform you we launched a program from our department. The program name is Expert Engagement. In this episode, we'll connect with one of the prominent maritime expert, Captain Sohel Kibria. He's the lecturer of University of Highland and Island. We'll share various information. I believe that will help our potential student, mariners, marine professional seeker. So let us have introduction from Captain Sohel Kibria. Captain Sohel Kibria, please introduce
Thank you,
yourself.
Captain Nasir, and I am very glad that I am here. I'm actually the professional seafarer. My seafaring life I started in 2006 to 2022. And in 2022, I moved to Scotland and joined as a nautical lecturer there in the University of Highlands and Islands. So that's my short introduction.
Okay, so very glad to hear introduction.
Me
you
too.
are a professional mariner, so you were marine captain on board a ship.
Right.
So your career from 2006 to 2022, right? It's quite long, 14 years of sea experience.
Right.
I'd like to ask you, what motivated you to quit the sea career, and what is the reason behind it? If you please share for our viewers.
Okay. Captain Nasir, you see that one? I always try to seek knowledge and some kind of expertise and something new.
Excellent.
So this 14 years, in this 14 years, then 5 years I was a captain. That is the, you know this one, that is the maximum, the highest point of the maritime trading.
Okay.
So after 5 years, I was thinking that one, I have to do something better because my age is nearly 40 and I think that one, after 40 and after a greater contribution to your maritime expertise, I have some duties and responsibility to give to the society, to the country, to the world.
Excellent.
So in this perception, I thought that I need to go somewhere else to the new industry,
Horizon.
new industry or the horizon, so that my fellows will get something new from me.
Excellent.
So
Excellent.
that actually encouraged me to go there.
Excellent, excellent motivation from you. Actually, for every professional, I believe, rather than gaining in person, I think they should also contribute for their society.
Of course.
They should show the pathway to the higher success,
Yeah.
to discover various dimensions of success. Because as a mariner, you know, we are classified for sailing on board ship. This is one kind of activity we do always.
Yeah.
And most of us would like to remain there, joining ship, earning foreign currency, and then come back leading a quite handsome life.
Yeah.
But there is some other dimension of career also we should unlock. So here, that's really glad to know that after being captain, master mariner, you join a university as a lecturer, and you're serving to mariners, non-mariners, maritime professional seekers.
Exactly.
And that's really very great to know that. So as a university, you know, we are the only private university in Bangladesh having this department, shipping and maritime science. So how you feel about our department to the mariners, non-mariners, marine professional seekers who would like to work on this maritime field? How you feel the inauguration serving of our department?
Okay. Let me start with a different way. You know this one. Currently, the world maritime transportation, that good being transported by sea is more than 90%.
Yes.
Is as per the UNCTAD said.
Yeah,
that one.
sure.
So this 90%, if you think that one, this is only contribution for the nautical captain and chief engineer or the deck and ratings and the officer. This is actually the wrong perception.
Yes, right. You are right.
This is the wrong perception.
Yes.
It have others also, like we have that operation departments, marine department, offshore,
Supply
in the
chain, trade forwarder.
trade forward.
There are a
This
lot of
all
forward
include-
and backward linkage.
Exactly. This
Yeah.
all together is 90%.
Exactly.
So what the CUB is doing now, I'm also the student of the CUB.
We're very,
because
very glad
I
for
have
that.
completed a
Yeah,
master degree from the
excellent,
CUB,
yeah.
and I got some faculty member. The excellent, I would say that one. So CUB did a great job. They started to the hybrid degree, which that mariners can participate physically from here, as well as some part of the course that are in the remotely
assignment
resource-based,
based, yeah.
assignment. So apart from that core maritime education, I mean nautical engineering and maritime nautical science and the maritime engineering, that senior mariner or also the junior mariner have the option to gain the knowledge about other shipping operation and transportation.
Right, commercially,
Commercial.
related to our maritime affairs,
Yeah.
related to transportation, logistics, whatever the
Logistics.
activities. Yeah.
And they can unlock, as you said that one, they can unlock
the potentiality.
Potentiality.
Yes, ahead. That's
yeah.
that's really good.
Simply the CUB did a fantastic job, I would say.
Excellently. So here another very highlighted information to share. He is the student spotlight. Captain Sohel Kibria did masters from our beloved Canadian University of Bangladesh. He is carrying our flag globally, and you can see all how he is contributing, getting master degree from Canadian University of Bangladesh. He is serving in university. He is teaching a lot of master mariner, chief engineer, other officers and engineer. It is a great moment for us to know this, to share you this information. So congratulations, Captain Sohel Kibria. You're really
Thank you.
contributing a lot. I know a lot of things about you. Commitment from you to our society. So here, you see the marine professional who are working on board ship, they are earning quite handsome money. So, but how you feel that create value to them, regardless of anything, if a student, if a mariner get degree from here, complete course from here,
Yeah.
how it will affect him to deliver his output, even he go back to ship, how you can relate that?
Yeah. Every people, you know this one, every people should not perceive in his mind and think that one. He need to actually achieve something new in every time. When you got a, say you are a captain, your final certificate is you are a master mariner, right?
Yeah.
But in the next year, if you think that one, I would like to know something else like economy,
Exactly.
behavioral economics,
Exactly.
or that accounting,
Management. Principle
that
accounting.
that is your additional value, and this value you can only understand when you go beyond that marine industry, not marine industry actually, beyond the ship. If
Exactly.
you want to work to that others industry related to the shipping line, then you can understand that what is the core value of it. So every mariners, it is the I would say that this is the responsibility to get some additional degree apart from their main core degree, and
Exactly.
it will be a great add a great value to them.
Thank you. Yes, right. If your dream ended up to captain or chief engineer, I believe you stuck there.
You're right.
And your contribution will be significantly less.
Yes,
It remain to personal gain only. So here, you should dream to establish a new shipping company,
Yeah.
to be a broker, to be a charterer,
To be a charterer, to be-
third-party ship manager.
Also, a researcher. Let me talk about the researcher. You know, this
Exactly.
one in World Maritime University and some of the UK Maritime University like that, City University or other city universities, they have a lot of fund about this in maritime research.
Exactly.
And you will be astonished to see the statistics about that one. Those people are doing the research job. They're most of them, I would say that more than 60% is non-mariner.
See, significant
I
amount
myself-
of researcher not from this background. So what is the problem for a mariner to be that expert, to be a researcher? What is the problem? I believe it is a huge opportunity.
Yes, yes. And you know this one, currently I am doing a work about the ship simulator, how to develop and updating of the ship simulator.
Like close to autonomous ship, something like
Yes,
that?
not like autonomous ship. My one is that one, when we use the simulator,
Yeah.
we don't get that real traffic data. So if we can input the real traffic data, it will be
Live from some strait or something, so it is
exactly.
incorporated, it become more live.
more live,
It
and
become
that
more-
and the platform The platform
Feeling the
can
same
be,
like
can be
a ship.
motion-based platform.
Okay,
So
okay.
you will feel more realistic there.
We should
So
always.
as a mariner, I understand the value of it, that how important it is.
So regarding that, say like the simulation system.
Yeah.
As a maritime expert, if you have the expertise, if you conduct research, if you gain various data, if you have the caliber quality to process the data, I believe you can contribute to improvement of the simulation system.
Of course.
You
of
can
course.
advise even to IMO technical committee some modified version of some code,
Yeah.
some regulation,
Yeah.
guideline, because what we feel, if expertise and education and experience blend, you can easily understand what will be the output. I believe nothing can be compared with this output.
Yet.
And he can deliver, he can contribute extraordinary way. So that's really good point. And dear student, dear viewers, please note this point, that various maritime university and other university in maritime field, the researcher, more than 60% researcher from non-mariner, non-marine professional background. So you can easily understand what a opportunity is waiting for us. Let us unlock this opportunity and prepare yourself. Prepare yourself to grab this opportunity. For preparing that, you need to get education from a university like us. Please, you can consider to enrich yourself, to enrich your educational qualification. We are offering BSc program, MSc program, even we'll be working for your integrated PhD program. So these all are actually for this maritime sector. I believe it will help you. So coming to next question, Captain Sohel Kibria, you're working in UK. So what message you want to relay to our society, even who is not working on board ship? What message to them from your side, how they should prepare for their future career in different dimension? What is your message?
Yeah, for my message is that one, that you guys, you young mariner and non-mariner also, try to learn something new every time that will unlock your horizon. And another one, most important thing is that one, improve your communication skill. Warren Buffett said that one, when you improve your communication skill, that means your 50% problem is already solved.
Excellent.
So do that one.
Excellent.
And at the same time, you also need the financial literacy. So in combination of the financial literacy, engagement, I mean that improvement of your communication, and that something to learn something new can make you genius and unlock your horizon.
Excellent, yeah.
So this is the way we can move forward.
Excellent, yes, right. In our program, we include research methodology. We include principle of accounting. We include management or organizational behavior. We include supply chain management. We include leadership. So you can imagine this subject, this course, how valuable for a student who learn it, who go through it, and after learning, wherever he contribute, wherever he engage himself, he can, I believe, his output, as input is much richer than before, I think his output will be excellent and it will be really contributory.
Definitely, because I did my master degree here. I got, as I told you, that when I got some faculty member, they were excellent. I completed research when that subject name was research methodology.
Yeah, right.
And I really appreciate that lecturer there. The way I learned the research material, now I can contribute even in my university to researcher how to write and how to do the research.
See, now, now related to another things like research methodology is our subject. So once you know how to do research, I believe you can do research with a lot of onboard activity, lot of pollution-related hazard, lot of convention, code, guideline. We can always review.
Exactly.
A very interesting thing, like STCW we have, like we have coal rig, like we have Maritime Labor Convention, like we have MLC. we can make a research of review of them.
Of course, and the ship is the best area
exactly
for the application, because you will get all the available resources there.
I don't see that so many people are doing this one. I think mariners is the perfect person to do this.
Exactly.
If you review it, I believe that will get attraction, that will get attention to the respective authority. Okay, Captain Sohel Kibria, we are talking about research. If our student, even whoever completed their degree from this university or any university related to maritime field, if they conduct research, like review article of our maritime convention, code, some guideline, you can imagine how helpful it will be for the seafarer, for the ship management company, for the
for all the stakeholders, right?
For any stakeholder, right? So I believe their contribution will be exemplary, because they already went through this all activity. They face it physically. We know a lot of artists or a lot of writer. When they're writing their speech or when they're writing their script, they want to go through that situation.
Right.
Right. When they go through that situation, then only they can realize it. They can reproduce it.
Right.
So it is the mariner, right?
Here is the, this one, as you said, that one, how you can that review. You can do the review when you have the idea.
Exactly.
That's why they need the master degree or some degree from the professional institute, how to write that one, what is the value of this research. Because this in marine industry, when a chief engineer on board, he is the best person to do the research in practically.
Right, like energy efficiency,
exactly,
like cost effective means, like plant maintenance, like emergent maintenance. Lot of things actually can come out.
Yes,
you see, when even we consider the onboard activity, we are only concentrated of one line of solution. What about alternative? Sometimes there are few more alternatives there.
Right.
Who will create this alternative?
Exactly.
If you are a researcher, you can create the alternative, and that alternative can establish, right?
Exactly.
So I believe even you work on board ship, you can contribute a lot.
Of course, I would say that one. This is the best place on board a ship for a professional seafarers to contribute in a research, because they can practically handle that one, they can experiment, and they will get the result in the same way. But what we see that one, when you are doing in an institute, which is apart from the sea, and you can do in a theoretically, but you cannot do it in a practically.
Not possible.
But a chief engineer, say he is doing a job or a SIMP, say the SIMP, implementation of SIMP,
energy efficiency management
plan, a SIMP. So he is the best person to apply this one, and what is the result? As per the result he can do.
So test trial, he is the best person to do.
Best person.
The piloting, pre-testing for any research or any work.
But the fact is that that chief engineer have to know that how to do the research.
Exactly.
For that reason, he need to do
otherwise
some.
It will remain only hypothetical.
The master degree or some degree he needs.
Exactly. So, dear viewers, Bangladesh is a maritime nation. We want to draw attention to the mariners, marine professional, maritime professional, to contribute to make our nation true maritime nation. We have lot of rivers, we have 3 seaports, we have lot of maritime activity, we are exporting, importing, marine related things are related in every sector of our life, every part of our life.
Right.
So, if we prepare ourselves, because you will not work on board ship till you die, you will not work on board ship till you retire. So, prepare your plan B, prepare yourself for your alternative profession where you can contribute. I believe you are the best person. So for your preparation, for your career development, we, Canadian University of Bangladesh, our department is ready to help you, to give you guideline, to serve you, to enroll you, and to show the direction ahead, whatever you choose. So again, coming back to you, Captain Sohel Kibria, it is really very nice meeting with you here in our university, and we are very glad you are our student as well. So, how is the global maritime trend? How the marine professional in the Western countries, like in Europe, how they actually after becoming mariner working on board ship, how you feel when they should quit sailing and then coming to shore profession or becoming academician or doing some shore job, also become entrepreneur.
Yeah, of course.
They can create a company. Your dream should be high.
Yeah, of course.
Your dream should be beyond, right? Then you will significantly reach some distance, right?
Exactly.
So how you feel for the preparation of a
Okay,
marine professional?
I would say that one, when a mariner starts his career, normally in Bangladesh we have completed our graduation, our cadets, they do the graduation, then they start their sea career. So my suggestion will be that one, let's get the highest degree, chief engineer degree or master license.
All
Get
right.
your command 1 to 2 years. Then if you think that one, you have a better opportunity, then you can switch.
Right.
I never suggest to someone to quit the sea before your final position,
Yeah, right. Your desired position.
say a master or captain or a chief engineer. Be a captain and chief engineer, then you can switch to somewhere else.
Okay, that's really great, and you will be very pleased to know that a lot of mariner is our student. They are really very interested to build up their career, to build up their educational qualification,
Right.
and really they are interested. And you know, they are really brilliant. Just to guide them properly, just to explore them properly,
course.
I think they can be successful, and they are really brilliant.
Yeah,
They can
especially I would
contribute.
say that one in the
can
Bangladeshi
contribute
seafarer, they are
really,
they are
yes.
the damn smart, damn brilliant. They have capability to run the country, not the maritime world only.
Yeah.
They can run the country even.
Yes, right.
So I would say that one to the young mariners, that one with your professional degree, at the same time they can do this master degree also.
Exactly.
Because it doesn't mean that one when you are at sea or you are a professional, you can't do others. So
Exactly.
if you decide that one, if they continue, that will get their value actually.
So really, let us. Even they work on board ship, they have a lot of leisure time.
Yeah, of
It's a
course.
very important point.
Yeah.
If we can engage them, you can utilize their time for some assignments, some research, some work, some study material. I believe they can utilize it.
Of course,
And
of
and they
course.
can really prepare themselves without hampering their social life, family life,
Yeah,
or other
of
things.
course.
So this is really a good opportunity. And I would like to share this information to all mariners, to marine professionals, so whoever interested in this sector. Previously, I was giving a challenge to the audience. I was attending a seminar in auditorium. I was telling them, can you tell me a single sector, single activity which does not deal with maritime?
Yeah, it's impossible when 90% of
It is not
transportation
possible.
by the
Finally,
maritime,
one of
then,
the
yeah.
students, they raise hand and say, sir, banking, there is no relation with maritime. I told him, gentleman,
I think the 50%.
banking having more maritime affairs,
Yeah.
insurance, then LC, letter of credit, payment, so many things involved with maritime. And you have instruction to you, to your bank, when to release the fund.
Yeah.
You should understand what is the terms and condition. You should
course.
understand to whom to give loan or whom not, whom to accept, whom to reject, right?
Of course.
So I believe huge sector, huge opportunity, unlimited opportunity. Let us grab this one. Let us prepare ourselves. Let us take it. Be an expert mariner, marine professional. So I think we are coming to end.
Yeah, yeah.
And thank you so much. Really, it is a nice meeting with you, talking with you. I believe our viewers, our students, will be benefited from this session. I would like really request to students or potential student, anyone, please do visit our university. Do share your views, requirement, will guide you. And this department is completely run by the marine professional. That's why you can feel the nerve of mariner, feel the nerve of this sector. So that's how we'd like to contribute to the society. We'd like to prepare ourselves much more better ahead. And the audience, I would like to request you, we are conducting regular this episode. We are arranging regularly webinar, some seminar. So this type of session, please, if you have time, do join us. Give us your feedback. Give us your requirement, we'll attend it. And Capt. Sohel Kibria, just final statement.
Yeah.
Just give us your conclusion remarks about our program, about our university, about anything.
Yeah, it's a fantastic program, I would say that one. So the young and the expert mariner, they will be encouraged to do that one. And finally, I would say to the young fellows, so please come and visit to the CUB and get your choice. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Prepare yourself. Every mariner from beginning to the top rank, prepare yourself. It's really nice to serve you, nice to engage you, nice to contribute for you. So ladies and gentlemen, dear viewers, thank you so much. We'd like to welcome you next session later. Please get us connected. Keep in touch with our expert engagement. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Assalamu alaikum.
Canadian University of Bangladesh, inspiring applied knowledge.